This is the lecture from eSkills Zone. To benefit from the lecture, you should download the free lecture notes from eskillszone.com. Welcome, students. Let's continue our journey of learning English as language. In our previous videos, we have covered tenses, present tenses, all, present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. Also, we have covered past indefinite tense. In this video, we will be learning past continuous tense. So let's see past continuous tense. Let's look at the definition of this tense. The past continuous tense is used to describe actions ongoing in the past. For example, I was playing, she was reading book, he was taking shower, they were drinking water, we were traveling. If you look at all these examples, there was a continuity of an event or an action, and that was completed in the past too. In past continuous tense, we have two helping verbs. The first one is was, and the second one is were. I will spell it for you. Was, W-A-S, and the second helping verb is were, W-E-R-E. In past continuous tense, we use first form of the verb with ing. For example, I was playing. So here we used was as helping verb with first form of the verb, which is play, and we added ing. Let me give you some more examples in order to understand past continuous tense in more clearer way. She was traveling. He was reading book. So let's convert one of these sentences into negative and then from positive into interrogative with question mark in the end. He was reading book. So the negative sentence will be he was not reading book, and the interrogative of the same sentence will be was he reading book, question mark. Remember, the key to success will be practice. The more practice you do, it will become easy for you to learn English as a language. I'll give you an example, and I will request you to please write it down on a notebook and then convert that sentence into negative and then from positive into interrogative. So the sentence is we were shopping. So this sentence needs to be converted into negative and then from positive into interrogative with question mark in the end. The sentence is we were shopping. Now, in order to understand what helping verb needs to be used with which pronoun, was will be used with he, she, it, and were will be used with you, we, they. We were shopping, so we will convert that into negative, and then the same sentence will convert into interrogative with question mark in the end. we were not shopping. So here I have placed not in between helping verb and verb. Now we will convert this positive sentence, we were shopping, into interrogative, which will be were we shopping? Question mark. Let's take another example. They were eating. So we will convert this sentence now into negative. They were not eating, full stop. And now we will convert this sentence into interrogative with question mark in the end. Were they eating? Question mark. Remember, the more practice you will do, the more easier it will become for you to learn English as a language. And I have given you a tip, I will give you again. In order to ensure that you practice this, you need to start thinking in English. This will reprogram your mind to look for new words and to store them in memory so you can use them whenever you need. In order to increase the vocabulary, you can consult Google, which is the easiest way for all of us. On the other side, highly recommended method by the teachers been always using dictionary. You will have broader definition and meanings of different words. So let's take another example. I was taking shower, full stop. Now I want to convert this sentence into negative, so I will say I was not taking shower, full stop. And when I want to convert this into interrogative, I will say was I taking shower? Question mark. What you need to do before you watch the next video to practice this tense first, which is past continuous tense, and see yourself how effectively you are learning. This will give you confidence and help you to cover the rest of the course in effective way. Remember, the purpose of watching these videos is to learn language, and the best practice to learn language is to speak. So if you have a companion in your home, or let's say in your university or in your college or institute, or even a friend who can accompany you to talk to you, or you can or if he or she can help you to communicate in English, this will ensure a fast learning, and your chances of learning English as your second, third or fourth language will be far brighter. So I'll give you a quick recap about the past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is used to describe actions ongoing in the past. So there are two helping verbs. The first one is was, which we use with he, she, it and I. And there's another helping verb, were, which we use with you, they and we. I've given you some examples during this video, and I'll request you, once you will finish the video, start some practice. This will give you more confidence about learning this new tense. I hope you enjoyed this video. Happy learning. I'll see you in next video with the new tense. And remember, once we'll finish all the tenses, we'll have a bit more detailed practice, which will help you gain more confidence about learning English as a language. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next video. Bye. This is the lecture from eSkills Zone. To benefit from the lecture, you should download the free lecture notes from eskillszone.com.